Welcome to the Month in Review briefing. This briefing will highlight the weather of September 2014, as well as the temperature and precipitation outlooks for the month of October 2014. This graphic is from the High Plains Regional Climate Center and shows the departure from normal temperatures for the month of September 2014. The time period for the normals is 1981 to 2010. A value of 0 would mean that the location reported a normal average temperature for the month of September. Above normal temperatures were reported across the region, with some locations as much as 3 degrees above normal for the month. The next graphic is also from the High Plains Regional Climate Center. This shows the percent of normal precipitation for the Northwest for the month of September 2014. A value of 100% means that the location reported their average monthly total precipitation. For September 2014, most of the region reported well below normal precipitation. Some locations in Central Oregon and in South Central Washington reported near to slightly above normal precipitation amounts. A large trough of low pressure pushed the ridge east on September 24th and 25th. A cold front stalled along the Cascades and brought heavy precipitation to locations just east of the Cascades. This system then weakened and brought less precipitation to areas further east. 5 weather stations broke record 24-hour precipitation totals, ending the morning of the 25th. Bend, Oregon reported a total of 0.54 inches, breaking the previous record of 0.5 inches set in 1948. Madras 2 North in Oregon reported a total of 0.27 inches, breaking the previous record of 0.25 inches set in 1998. Mora, Oregon reported a total of 0.44 inches, breaking the previous record of 0.28 inches set in 1923. Sisters, Oregon reported a total of 0.31 inches, breaking the previous record of 0.11 inches set in 2013. And Goldendale, Washington reported a total of 0.45 inches, breaking the previous record of 0.4 inches set in 1923. And now we will turn our attention to the forecast for October 2014. This graphic is issued by the Climate Prediction Center, or CPC, and is the temperature outlook for the month of October. The cool colors indicate a greater chance of below normal temperatures, and the warm colors represent a greater chance of above normal temperatures. The time period for the normals runs from 1981 to 2010. The Pacific Northwest is forecast to have a greater chance of above normal temperatures for the month of October. This graphic is CPC's precipitation outlook for the month of October. The green colors represent a greater chance of above normal precipitation, and the brown colors represent a greater chance of below normal precipitation. The region is forecast to have a greater chance of below normal precipitation. Please remember that these are probabilities of averages, and that the day-to-day weather will still vary for the month of October. This concludes our briefing. Please continue to visit National Weather Service web pages for the latest weather information, including watches, warnings, and advisories. Thank you for your time.